Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to change title of the website in WordPress. Hover to Appearance and click on Customize. Then scroll down and click on Site Identity. Type the site title. You can also add tagline for your site title. Then click on Publish. After that, visit your website. Here you can see your site title is changed successfully. Download the free WordPress quick guide for businesses. The link is in the description below. If you found the video helpful, smash the like button. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you.